Then we are at our last one, which is xmonad. And we have this guy and we have that guy. And let's compare. As a test, and last time on, as a comparison between these two, let's do a minimal. Let's see what the difference is. Maybe you'll ask, why is it always taking the full? The minimal, it's gonna be easier, less to see, less lines, less blue lines, because both of them are minimal in a sense. So you can do this like that as well. Xmonad. We need all kinds of stuff here. Remember, xmonad is actually, like I like to say, it's an application. So you need to compile it, and that's what happens to many people who are working in xmonad. Updates come in, they shut down. They didn't compile it prior to shutting down, so Super Shift R is super important. Remember that already. Super Shift R reloads your particular desktop, and in the case of xmonad, it compiles it, so you're safe when you reboot. I think we have polybar already. Maybe doubles. That's possible now. Let's have a look. So these guys, I'm lost. So Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. This was what we had. Now Control Y doesn't work, but I was lost. So when you're lost, you go back, retrace. I don't want xmobar, just see that now. We've decided not to use it. You're out. And xdo tool is up here. Don't need those guys as well. Xmonad log, sure. Polybar, we have polybar. Control find poly, oops, that's something else. Another application, polybar. Next, polybar is in BSPWM, just once. Oh, we were careful, maybe you have a double, right? And these two guys are just for applications to check how many updates are there. But I don't think we need them. I don't think we need them. Why? Because these are applications for xmobar. And xmobar is not what we're going to install. So I don't think we need them. Question mark, question mark. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Let's start with a minimal approach and see what we're missing. Save. How about that? Okay, let's push it to the net. Comparison between xmonads and Xtended. So let's take a look what happens on the internet in the meantime. Let's see. Analysis, Xtended i3. Awesome. Forgot open box. I thought so. Qtile, Hebsluft is not in there, but you'll see it's all in there, of course. All the changes we've made. You can follow them along. And I'm sorry, but we forgot one or two of them. We forgot Hebsluft. Poor guy. And Xtended i3. The gaps. OpenBox was already in there, it's true. But anyway, that's how we can follow along a little bit on the internet. Okay, let's send the video here.